Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon. What do all these cities have in common? None of them are Goa.
That's not funny.
But other than that, traffic. The traffic honestly is so bad that it kind of makes you nostalgic about Zoom meetings, you know. If traffic was an Olympic sport, I promise you India would win all the 3 medals. But the medal ceremony would start 2 hours late because your chief guest,
We're stuck in traffic.
guess it right, is stuck in traffic. Hi, my name is Sonali Thakkar and I'm here reviewing a car. Yes, me. I haven't driven a car since Gangnam Style was a thing. You guys remember Gangnam Style? You remember Gangnam Style?
I remember Gangnam Style. I'm not doing it.
This is Gangnam Style, guys.
I'm just going to believe it. Anyway, I'm Siddharth. I do review cars for a living. So, I just figured since you have someone here trying to review a car who doesn't drive.
I just want to tell you, just because I don't drive, I'm not like a liability, okay? I'm not a passenger princess. I'm like a passenger handmaiden. Is this all there is to it? Like,
Part 1 and Part 2 are here. Yes.
where is the rest of it?
Well, it's just 3 meters in length. The wheelbase is just 2 meters. It's kind of designed to be nice and compact for all these like crazy tight spaces, places where people just kind of get up and go home usually.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I can see how this would be helpful in Mumbai. Because, I mean, if you've seen in Mumbai, if you find a parking spot, you can't like just park the car in the parking spot, okay? You have to get out. You have to move 2-3 bikes, okay? And then you park your car. Like, you have to earn the spot. That's why handmaidens are helpful. You see?
In Delhi, you have to yell at people also sometimes. But look, the thing is that a car is sort of perfect, therefore, for city kind of conditions. It's not really for highway driving. It's not that car.
Okay. So I can't take it on like Western Express Highway, which is like the heart of the city.
That highway chalega.
Okay.
Okay, if you're done fiddling, can I tell you about the
Yes,
what we are looking at? So dual screen
Yes.
setup, nice big screens. This one's for the driver information. That one is for obviously all the fiddling and the infotainment. So very Apple-esque, very minimalist.
I feel like, honestly, if I touch anything, something will go into like a software update, you know. I feel like even if I sneeze, Siri will like connect me to the nearest hospital.
It's not that intelligent, but yes,
That's
it's
true.
supposed to recognize like 100 voice commands, even understands English.
What? You want to try?
That's the claim.
Yeah, let's try.
Hey MG.
Hey MG.
I'm listening.
Great. Arey yaar, turn down the AC.
Apologies, the command is not supportive.
MG is sexist.
What, you want me to try?
Yeah, I think you should try.
Hey MG,
I'm listening.
turn on the AC.
AC has been turned on.
Patriarchy lives.
Yeah, but what about the English? What about the English?
Oh yeah, we didn't try the English.
Okay, try. You try in English.
Hi MG,
I'm listening.
AC off karo.
AC has been turned off.
Wow, that's pretty impressive, honestly. Like, to be in tune with Hindi like that, it's damn cool.
Also, unlike a regular car, your voice reaches it very quickly and very clearly.
Yeah.
The small confines of this cabin. So Sonali, you want to check out the back seat? Why don't you get into the rear and tell me what you think?
Okay, but there's no like door situation happening here.
There's a big door. See, second door is that side. So, unlike normal cars, this one has a really big door because it's supposed to give you access to the back also.
Okay.
So, you flip that seat,
Yeah.
you go to the back.
So I'm supposed to like. Okay, they really want you to like. They really want you to like.
There you
Okay,
go.
I figured it.
Actually,
I figured it. I
there you
figured
go.
it. I figured it. Oh my god.
That's a nice handy thing actually, that
And
handle.
then who pushes it back? You guys push it back.
You said na you are like the passenger, what is it, handmaiden. So actually that's it. And then
That's
it'll click and then the back will go up.
But this is not happening.
Just pull it towards you. Leave that. There you go. Nice and snug.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I feel like the inspiration for this is from Indigo Airlines because the legroom is just It's for people of a certain height. I
It is
feel
for
like
small
me.
children.
Yeah.
Let's be very clear.
I'm very comfortable here. I don't know. Is it for me?
Oh, so did I just call you small children?
Yes, yes. I'm very much a small child.
Well, actually, it's good. So you're finding it comfy. Like we sit back. It's good for city commutes and short commutes.
Yeah, actually, I think I am very comfortable. Honestly, I feel like the right people to sell this car should be Mumbai brokers because
How do you figure?
because they have a knack of making smaller spaces feel like luxury villas.
So the car's got 41 bhp as far as the engine output goes, 110 Nm of torque. It's surprisingly fun to drive. You know, with such small wheels, you don't really expect it to do much, but it's fun. It's zippy. It's good for little city commutes. It gets in and out of places. It's not like super quick, but yeah, it's quite fast.
41 bhp, 110
110
Nm. Yeah, I'll pretend like I understood all those stats. Okay, like I've watched every Fast and Furious movie. I've watched Tara Rampam 3 times. And not once they have mentioned BHP. What is BHP?
But Tara Rampam, oh, the Saif Rani one. I haven't seen that movie.
What is BHP? What is BAP horsepower?
Let's go with that. From now on, that is what it's going to be when you see us referring to BHP.
BAP horsepower.
BAP horsepower. See, you're right. For the most part, like regular folks don't care, but it comes down to, I think, the experience. Like, you know, when the number is higher, you're going to get quicker output or faster performance or better response.
Right.
So, you know what? Actually, I'm like the car expert here, right?
Yeah.
So
I don't know anything
you have
about cars.
So golden opportunity. Please ask me any question you have.
Okay, I have so many.
Oh no.
Yes. Is it, if I whisper Tesla under the dashboard, is it going to go into cry mode? Am I allowed to take this car and give it for valet? Am I allowed? Are they going to take me seriously? How many of...
Oh, the valet.
Yeah, the valet. Yeah. How many of these cars are going to fit into an SUV? You know. Also, can we have a moment of silence for the Nano while we're at it? And lastly, am I allowed to compete with a rickshaw with this car? These are real life questions. You know, when I told you I don't know anything about cars.
Exactly the thought I had.
I meant it.
When you said that, now I know and I respect that you really meant it.
Always honest. Honesty is the best policy.
If you have any questions, like actual questions, you can please post a comment. So being an electric, of course, everybody always wonders about charging. This one uses a 3.3 kilowatt wall box, which means really slow charging. It's going to be like 7-8 hours overnight for it to come to a full charge. Now the company claims 230 kilometers is the kind of range that you get on it, but realistically we're talking 150, 160.
So I have to charge it for 8 hours and then it can walk around, like drive around 230 kilometers.
No. 230 is the claimed range. So I'm saying real world mein aapko itna hi milega. Like 150, 160. But you know what? For people who just have like short commutes, that still could be like once a week charging.
But 8 hours of charge time, that's great, man. This
It's
car
like a
has...
smartphone.
Yeah, this car has a better sleep cycle than I do. I mean, I'm jealous actually.
So when you have that full charge on the car, Sonali, where would you go?
Honestly, since I'm from Mumbai...
Since you're going to drive now.
Yes. I am going to drive and I'm going to take it straight to Lonavala.
What a cliched Mumbaikar answer.
Yes, absolutely. We can't.
There's
nothing else. Can I take it to Thane?
It's not making it to Lonavala.
Then Thane. Thane is the next option.
Okay, on second thoughts, Lonavala is probably more doable.
Exactly.
Better stretches for the car to get some regen.
Yeah. Will the speed breaker like hit the car when you're taking it over speed breakers? Ground clearance. That's one technical
Actually,
word.
this one has really good ground clearance. Surprisingly good.
That's very
because even though the wheels are so tiny, they look like Honda Activa wheels. but it's got surprisingly good ground. Of course, I mean those really horrendous bad.
Yeah.
Like you climb a mountain type speed breakers might scrape it. But the good thing is the wheels are so close that it doesn't have the chance for one set of tires to go on the other side and the other. You know, so for it to get banked in the middle. It's so tiny that it kind of goes over in one leap only. It goes over.
Do you know anybody who owns this car?
Yeah, actually I do.
Really?
And they're very happy.
They're very happy with
It's
it.
their third car though.
Third Comet?
No.
Oh.
No. Let's not
Like
get
a
that
mad
carried away.
Comet fanatic.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like you keep saying it could be a nice second car. This is their third
It's their
car.
third car. So like a
Wow.
comet, we only see it once in a while. It comes. It only comes once in a while. So Sonali, MG Comet.
Yes.
Nice, quirky, very quirky actually. Very fun, affordable, eco-friendly car. It's like a nice tiny little representation of what an urban car should be.
Yeah, I mean it's not one of those cars that you can like roll the windows down and just yell at someone like, "Hey, dekh ke chalana." Like nobody will take you seriously.
कहाँ है? कौन है?
Yeah, exactly. You know, now that we're towards the end of the review, I think it's a good time to ask you, what does MG stand for?
Like really?
Yeah.
Morris Garages. That's the original name.
Okay, because everybody in India looks at MG and thinks Mahatma Gandhi. So, like, what is Morris Garages? Okay. I also love how it says like internet inside. You know?
Yes, that badge is bigger than the car.
Yeah, I hope they're aware that there's internet outside also.
Called Geo.
Yes. So tiny, it feels like, you know, it feels like a tiny mini spaceship, you know, like Jadoo left its car behind.
I want to say that no small people or animals were harmed in the making of this film. MG's bank account was also not harmed in making this film. You know what's nice is it's also affordable to run and maintain. So a good like second car to have, something you can use to just run about, pick up the kids from school, do some quick shopping. That's what it's meant for. People shouldn't confuse it with like their regular daily driver maybe.
Yeah, so it's not for single people.
Or it's only for single people because more than that doesn't pay.
Single person.
Yes.
It is very Bombay coded. Okay, I love it. And I did consider it. How much is it for, if I may ask?
It's affordable. And
Yeah.
the only thing is that itne mein itna hi milta hai is then the
Itne mein itna
that
hi
is the
milega.
problem. Like that's when you do that equation, then you're like, wait,
Okay.
what else could I get? That's a very
Okay.
Indian thing, right?
Okay, you're still not telling me the price. So I'm going to go on the website and
Go
find
on
out.
accodrive.com
Yeah.
and find out.
You know, in India, nobody buys based on the usage. It's like, is the EMI affordable? And then we backtrack it and then go.
So I hope this was fun for you.
Yes, it was. It was great fun. It's amazing. It's a blessing to review a car when you don't know how to drive. It's kind of forced me to learn. It's kind of like enabled me to learn how to drive.
So now I'm going to see you in Bombay in one of these.
Yes. And if you see me run.
All right. I hope lots of you also enjoyed this. Please tell us how much you liked it. Leave us a comment.
Share this with your passenger handmaidens. Honestly, I'm not surprised that English works because Hindi slang has also made it to like Oxford Dictionary. So I'm sure like MG Comet also gets the vocabulary.
Like what words?
Okay, there's Jugaad. Jugaad has made it to Oxford slang, of course. I think time pass. Yeah. I think Mountbatten was the first one to use the word time pass.
He wasn't
Acha.
the one doing the time pass though. But anyway,
No.
let's not go there.
Yeah, but he witnessed time pass.
Yes.
There's Acha, there's Chamcha. Chamcha.
Chamcha has made it.
Chamcha has made it. And Didi.
It is an education for me, this MG Comet
And
discovery.
Hindi slang.
Yeah, as a result.
Yeah.